Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got some exciting news to share with you today. If you're a big fan of YouTube like I am, you're going to want to hear about the latest update that's making waves, YouTube Premium. That's right, as of August 2023, YouTube has introduced some amazing new features that take your streaming experience to a whole new level. Stick around as I break down what YouTube Premium is all about. Introducing YouTube Premium. So, what exactly is YouTube Premium? Well, it's a subscription service that offers a bunch of awesome perks to enhance your YouTube journey. First up, ad-free viewing. No more interruptions from those pesky ads. You can now enjoy your favorite content seamlessly. Background play, but wait, there's more. One feature that's really caught my attention is background play. With YouTube Premium, you can keep the audio of your videos running even when you switch to other apps or lock your device. This is a game changer for multitaskers and anyone who loves to keep the entertainment going while they're on the go. Offline downloads. Ever wished you could watch your favorite videos even when you're offline? Well, YouTube Premium has you covered. You can now download videos to watch later, perfect for those times when you're traveling or in areas with limited connectivity. Your entertainment doesn't have to stop just because you're not online. YouTube Originals. Another perk of YouTube Premium is access to YouTube Originals. These are exclusive shows, movies, and series created by some of your favorite YouTubers and Hollywood professionals. It's like having a front row seat to some of the most exciting and unique content out there. Supporting creators. Now, you might be wondering about the impact on your favorite creators. Don't worry, with YouTube Premium, a portion of your subscription fee goes directly to support the creators you love. So, you're not just enhancing your own experience, you're also helping the content ecosystem thrive. Conclusion. In a nutshell, YouTube Premium is a subscription that offers an ad-free experience, background play, offline downloads, access to exclusive content, and the satisfaction of supporting creators. If you're someone who spends a lot of time on YouTube and wants a premium experience, this could be just the thing you've been waiting for. Thanks for tuning in to learn about the exciting world of YouTube Premium. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.